Welcome to the review of OPPO A94, and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So let's just first open the hold for all the application and drag this up to another one, and now we can see here the new created home screen folder of our device screen. If you want to add here more objects, by the same way, hold them and drag to this folder. We can rename this name. Just click here on the name, tap on the X icon and select under here the new one, for example the apps, tap to OK, and now we can see that our folder successfully renamed. We can also move this folder here on the screen, just hold and drag it here. Also we can move folder between the screens, that's also not a problem. And if you want to create a new screen, just hold it and drag it by this way. If you want to remove the app from the folder, just hold it and drag it here to the home screen if you want to stay with this app here on the home screen. But if you want to remove it from the home screen and from the folder, hold it and tap to remove. But don't worry, you'll stay with this application here in the apps menu. You'll remove it only from your device home screen and from the folder. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.